Warning, warning, warning. If you're running Windows and Codex, be careful, do not update to 0.1310. If you do that, then you will get a result like this. Let me just show that to you, how to do that. So if I run Codex now, oh, and then let me just update Codex. So if I say npm install, and then Codex, boom, 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 it is right here. If I say install OpenAI Codex without giving any version on top, or maybe I want to install the latest one. So if I install the latest one like this, or if you just say yes when you start, I said that I don't want this version right here, so I said skip this version. But if you install like this and then run Codex afterwards, then you get a lot of weird output like this. And it's because there's a bug right now. Yeah. There, of course, there's more information on this bug online if you're interested. But if you, for now, if you just want to get it up and running, then we just run npm uninstall, and then you don't have, then just uninstall it. And when you install it, then install 0.130 like this. So then you just install the previous version, and then when you start Codex, then it will ask you should you install it. Then you just say no, skip this version. I've already done this, so it will actually skip this version. It will still complain in the top and will say, hey, there's an update available, or please update. But don't do that for this version if you're running on Windows. If I don't think there's a problem with Linux, I don't know about that. I just I just experienced this myself, so it was just a news update. Be careful, downgrade to 0.130.0, and this version actually right here, it's quite cool, and the changes are not that big actually. But Mike, how can you say that? How can you say that? It's actually right here. So here we have this is the change that we have right here. A lot of bug fixes, and a Codex doctor has been added for support-ready diagnostics across runtime, blah, blah, blah. Of course, that would be fun to try, actually. I'm actually looking forward to try that one. But it doesn't matter when it doesn't work for Windows. Yes, when was it released, Mike? When was it released? Can we see that? Can we see that? Boom, 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 boom. Yesterday. Or at least that's when many of the changes right here were made. There should also be a release date up in the top right. So, boom, 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 boom. Releases. Boom, boom, boom. I actually don't know how to see the timestamp, but it looks like they were done. Yeah, the files were changed yesterday. I could see so much that much, but it also does not matter. It doesn't matter. But it's keep this keep the old version until they fix it, and then of course then update so we have latest and greatest, and so you're not behind. Thank you very much for watching this. It was just a little bit news feed right here, a new flash. And hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.